And the last settings in the feature settings is the preload selectors in bricks. We saw in the previous video that a set of utility class is preloaded in bricks for suggestions in the class list. And with these settings, you can select the size of this preloaded set. This doesn't mean that the other classes will not be available for styling. It just means that they will not be preloaded, and so they will not appear in the suggestion list until you use them once by typing their name. This can be useful if you have a slow machine or you experience a slow bricks editor. In the past, this could be the case, but with the recent versions of bricks, it's much better regarding performance. So it's up to you, you can choose. If you don't use utility classes at all, you can set it to none. You can try using everything, but this will be a very big set of classes, so take care. By default, it's set to large, which is a good compromise. So if we have a look, currently, Bricks tells me I have 2,153 classes available. Let's change it to moderate. Refresh the editor. And now I have 622 classes preloaded. I would highly recommend that you set these options at the beginning of building your website, because if you modify and especially if you reduce the number of classes available after you started building and styling your site, this could have, I say could, because I try to handle in code most of the side effects, but this could have unexpected effects on your existing styles. So if you're not sure, maybe start with a smaller one, because increasing it will not generate any problem, but reducing it could.